Oh, there's a nice truck. We're going to go ahead and look at this real quick. Alright, this here is a Nylint. I think it's supposed to be, I don't know, Chevy Suburban or something. EZGO Pro Tour model. It's, gosh, what was the year on this thing? 94. I'm pretty sure this is a collectible. I picked it up at a garage sale today for 50 cents, and trucks like this go for about, I don't know, 10-15 bucks. I couldn't find this one, so I'm going to try to get 20 out of it, but it's just very interesting, you know, the things that you find on the side of the road. It's actually looks like it's pretty well made. The white part here is all metal. Of course, the green is plastic. The wheels don't appear to be damaged at all. This glass piece kind of wraps around. You can see in the back, it's oh, sunroof. I don't know if there was something there before or it's not now, but I would doubt there was ever anything there. But it's kind of a neat little toy. I want to say like the early 90s. You know, that's when you still had toys out of metal. This is mostly plastic, but it still looks good. It's lasted quite some time. Looks like this is kind of, they had a flat piece, bent it this way, and that's the hood. Interesting. Anyway, if you have wisdom or insight on Nylint vehicles, I'd love to hear what you have to say. I don't know if this is a rare one or not. All I know is I could not find it when I looked it up on eBay. So there's my find. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the flip side, and I am out.